The hyperbaric chamber is equipped with accessories like mattress, frame, and anti-roller. First, we need to assemble the hyperbaric chamber. It comes with 3 machines: oxygen concentrator, air compressor, and air cooler. Before the first use, test the machine. Make sure all the zippers are pulled to the end. The pressurization process takes about 7 to 8 minutes, during which ear pain might occur, which is normal. You can pinch your nose and blow to ease. Electronic device can be used in the chamber. There's a pocket on the inside of the chamber where you can put your belongings. One session of hyperbaric oxygen therapy usually takes 60 to 90 minutes. After finishing one session, relieve the pressure to 0 kPa slowly. Turn off the 3 machines after leaving the chamber.